Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're going to Runswick Road. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom end of terrace house, has a loft room, it's heavily extended downstairs and has a double garage. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Pass me by when I